Hey, what's up? Hi everyone, how are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I present with the latest update of the Holochain. What's the current price of Holochain? What's the price change is occurring in the Holochain? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Let's move on and let's see the latest update of Holochain. What's going on, my friends? Let's see. You can see here if you look the latest price of the Holochain in the market, so the latest price is 0.010555 USD dollar, friends. That is the latest price of the Holochain in the market. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Holochain, so absolutely the last 1 hour price change is positive, last 1 day price change is positive, only and only the last 1 week price change is going negative, friends. So that's mean that the latest price of the Holochain from the yesterday, the Holochain start moving upward. The previous time changes occur is going negative. So I'm very happy to see this kind of positive changes occur in the Holochain. So first of all, I want congratulations to all Holochain Horus friends. Congrats on Holochain Horus and subscribe now. Don't forget to subscribe because ABS Tech channel give you updates. So please subscribe now, my friends. You can see here, my friends, that is the last 1 month price chart of the Holochain. You can see here in the start of month the price of the Holochain is fast down, but if you look the current price, you can see here in the end of month, it is the end of month, so that is why the price is start moving upward. But maybe, my friends, the price is fast down for a little time, so don't decide to sell, and it's time to hold, my friends. Remember, now this time the Holochain start moving upward, so that's mean that in the start of new month, friends, there is a lot of chances to take a jump, my friends. In the start of new month, friends, and the start of June, there is 100% chances to take a jump. So that is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. For instance, if you decide to sell Holochain, so you can see here that the price change occurs in the last 1 month is still negative. So if you decide to sell, so you are in the loss, and if you decide to hold, so maybe you are in the profit, friends. Maybe they take a jump in the future and you are in the profit. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share your opinion about Holochain in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.